Namaste. Happy Doctors' Day. I want to salute the doctors internationally and nationally for the wonderful work they are doing in spite of such difficulty. Difficulty is always a divine opportunity. My pranams, my namaste, my prayer, my dhanyavad to all of you. As doctors, my simple suggestion is we have to sometimes need to remember, right, what we know, because knowing is not doing, but doing is knowing. All right, doctor is always, work is always called practice, practice. Now, as doctors, as preachers, as individual, are we walking our talk or talking our walk there? All right, and if you keep that alertness there, you are practicing. When people are afraid of COVID-19, afraid and fear should be an alertness, but for most of the time fear has becoming a cripple point, not rather than an alert point. As doctors, we need to empower them. Not only keep a social distance, you have also keep a psychological distance from fear. That is one important dimension one has to do. As doctors, as elders, as knowledgeable people, are we practicing what we preach? I always suggest do Jalaneti. Learn Jalaneti, and it's very good at the time of COVID-19. Learn and do Jalaneti. As doctors, are we doing pranayama? All right, breathing is extremely good. Now, third important thing, as doctors, you all know you have to lie down on the stomach at the time when lungs have difficulty, keep a pillow from the chest and belly, and then breathe at least for some time. The lung expands. Are we practicing this? Is a third. Are we doing steam inhalation, which is supposed to be good? Are we seeing that all four kind of hormones are balanced? I call this as dose, DOSE. Means, please see, when you do a lot of good exercise, as doctors, you have to do exercise, and others, when you're doing exercise, what happens? Endorphins are produced, and that hormone makes you feel good, but temporarily, but we have to do that. Then when you reach your goal, you have to reach a goal, when you've accomplished something, then there is what is called dopamine is released, but that is also temporary. Now, third, when you work for a cause beyond yourself, like how you doctors and Rotarians and Lion people, Lions are doing, when you work cause beyond yourself, serotonin hormone is released. And then when you really connect to people, oxytocin is released. That's why, and a woman, when she delivers, oxytocin enzyme is released, and therefore woman is very, very connecting to people, to the children, and therefore all these four, according to medically, when you have a sense of wellness happens. But in spirituality, we say that is not enough. Your brain waves have to get into alpha, and when you get into alpha by doing meditation, by stilling your mind, by learning spiritual exercise, by doing morning rituals in a very spiritual way, then you find another energy opens up called alpha brain waves. Then homeostasis will happen, and when homeostasis happens, please see, it is extremely good for your immune system becomes very strong. Now, I respect you doctors. I know you know. I'm a student of martial art. At the age of 65 years, I've got my black belt. In fact, I'm in the fourth Dan. I'm doing that. And in martial art, we are taught one thing. Knowing is not doing, but doing is knowing. Knowing is not doing, but doing is knowing. Please get this there. So as doctors, you may know, but are we doing? Right? Because knowing is not doing, but doing is knowing there. And therefore, when you are doing a difference, so the dose is not enough. Meditation, right? Non-religiously you can do meditation is important. Second, as doctors, you give dose, DOSE, which all the four enzyme, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. Now, another spiritual meaning of dose, as doctors in giving dose, is D means divine, O is an opportunity, S is a spirited or spiritual, E an entry. Is a divine opportunity for a spirited or spiritual entry. Spiritual intelligence is extremely good. Notice this time people will be receptive, right? Whatever religion they belong to, please see, go deep into it. Do your practices properly. Please see, what is the biggest thing is people are resisting change. People are reacting more than responding, and that's the problem. All right, as a martial artist, when I'm in fourth dan practice, all right, I have been, my martial art teacher who is ninth dan, he tells me very few people continue after third dan in martial art. Why? Because in the fourth dan syllabus completely is opposite than what we have practiced. When it's completely opposite than what you have practiced, there's a lot of resistance. For many years you have become a black belt, then you've gone first dan, second dan, third dan, fourth. 95 people or 97 people drop away because what they have learned they have to unlearn and create something new. It is resistance, and my martial art teacher says you are the minority of people who are not resisting but flowing. Why am I sharing this? Is now with COVID-19 people are resisting to change. They're so used to a certain lifestyle, used to going to a mall, used to be socializing. They are resisting. And since they are resisting, therefore it is difficult for them. Don't resist, flow. Please see. And when you flow, life will be wonderful. Happy Doctor's Day. But as doctors, I want to tell you one thing. You need to have a spiritual armor around you. You need to walk your talk and talk your walk. All right, and as a spiritual armor, I'm only requesting you, inviting you, have a learning goal. How do you create a spiritual armor? And therefore, I have, please listen carefully to me what I'm saying. Therefore, I have brought out a beautiful online course, a wonderful online course called as 6 Hidden Secrets of Mantra Healing. All right, this is a beautiful, wonderful online course which creates a spiritual armor, a spiritual intelligence. It is not religious, but it is spiritual. As I told you the meaning of dose, it is not religious, but spiritual. By chanting the mantras in a spiritual way, your spirits are heightened. Your mind is going to become very calm. Your brain waves will get into alpha, and you'll know how to enter deeply into the very core and essence of being. So therefore, as doctors, protect yourself. It is called kavacha in Sanskrit. And my request to you, please protect yourself. Have a spiritual armor, and is my request to all of you. Keeping this into perspective, I wish you a very, very happy Doctor's Day. Spread happiness. Tell people it is fun to deal with difficulty. Treat a challenge as an opportunity for creativity. I salute you, doctors. I do naman to you for the wonderful work that you are doing, but create a spiritual hour. Happy Doctor's Day. God bless you. Wish you all the best.